a string or not. So in this stocks variable we will check if Tata Motors is present or not. So for this we use this in command. So we can write like if Tata in stocks print Tata. Yeah, it's printing Tata. If Bata in stocks else print available. Not available. So here we have used if else. So this will be later discussed in later sections. So suppose another is not in. If Bata not in stocks print not available. Else print you can see not able. So this line of code is executed. So now if we need to know the length of the stock, so we can know easily by using this len command. Here we'll pass any string we like stocks. So we are able to know the length of the stock.